Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook account temporarily unavailable. Can't access your account because it is temporarily unavailable? Don't worry, you can easily fix this issue. Follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Go to your phone's settings and scroll down. Click on apps. Tap on the apps section one more time again. Now search for Facebook app at the top. Go to Storage. Click on Clear Data and tap on OK. This should fix the problem. If the problem still isn't fixed, then just uninstall this app and download it one more time again. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to fix Facebook account temporarily unavailable. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.